Hello and welcome everyone. If you want to know how I made this stunning, bright and vibrant painting with the Arteza colors, then please keep on watching. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, it's much appreciated. You've already seen what the vibrant crimson red did in the previous video, so now I wanted to do all the other bright colors and make like a rainbow, dark rainbow painting. All the colors that I'm showing in this video are also down in the description below. If it went by too fast, you always find all the colors and brands down in the description below. I'm showing you my mixing again. I just use like 5 parts of Floetrol, 3 parts of paint and water until I did get the right consistency. As you can see, I'm not using as much paint as Floetrol. It's not needed if you have paint that is really pigmented and really vibrant. You don't need too much paint, you can just mix it with a lot of Floetrol. These paints are not expensive, but they really are pigmented and vibrant, and whatever it says on the package it has in them, so they are really easy to use, really bright, really vibrant, a really good paint for a really good price. I'm not getting paid to say this is an honest review. I just got these to try them out and I'm just amazed by what they can do, and I can't wait to show you how it looks to use only these vibrant colors. I've slowed down time a bit when I show you the consistency that I'm happy with. I'm not using a lot of the amount of paint mix, so it's really hard to show you what the consistency is, but it's a bit like pancake batter. So it's not like syrup, it's not like really flowing, it's a bit thicker, because then the cells will keep their shape if you add silicone. Normally colors get really dulled a bit and lightened a bit by the Floetrol. I'm just stunned by how vibrant these colors are right now in the mix. I'm also using up the paints that were left over in the last pour. So the new paints I made, I put like 1 drop of silicone in there because I only filled half a cup. I'm using silicone oil, which is used for like fitness equipment to lube them up a bit. So it's like 100% silicone oil. But you can also use silicone spray that you can just buy at a discount store or a hardware store. I do that in some of the other videos. I just personally prefer to use Floetrol and silicone because that gives me the best effect I can get and the way I like my paintings. Remember, when you're pouring the colors in the cup, think about the contrast, light next to dark and dark next to light. Also think about which colors mix well and make a beautiful color together and which don't. I'm just amazed by how well the silicone in the paint and the paint reacts with the burner. I'm just flabbergasted by how it looks. I'm so happy with the end result. I never do like a rainbow pour. This one is a bit darker than normal rainbow pours, but I just love the end result. The lines around the cells are really beautiful. The colors are really vibrant. Some mixed really well in the background. Some of the silver made it a bit metallic, light blue in there. The red is so vibrant and the yellow is so bright. It amazes me how good it looks. I will show you how it dries. I will show you when there's varnish in there and the end of the video. So please keep on watching to see how good this works together. These colors were not my cup of tea, but they really, really are beautiful. So I had to keep this painting. It dried really pretty. So if you're looking for a paint that really keeps the shape of the cells, really keeps the lines, really keeps the cells defined, then please try out these Arteza paints. It looks stunning and it dries beautiful on their Arteza canvases. And when you add a layer of varnish, it even brightens up more. I'm just amazed by the amount of pigment that is in there for the amount you pay for the paints. I still have a few colors left to try out, so that will be in the next video, and I really can't wait to do more paintings with these paints. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, it's much appreciated, and I'll see you in the next video.